In the previous video I created a plugin, but it doesn't do anything useful yet. So let's make it do something useful. How about creating a shortcut that is going to display today's date? It's a very simple plugin, but it's a start. I'm going to use the template for adding the shortcut. WP control space invokes all the templates. This is the one that I need. And I'm going to call my shortcut today's date. Today's date, and I hit OK. The program has created the body of the function that is going to add the shortcut, and it also added the shortcut to WordPress, and it's called today's date. So let's just put here today's date and save. Okay, if I now go back to WordPress and go to my test page, so this page is completely empty. Let's just have a look at the page. It's using one of the default WordPress themes, so it's really bare bone right now, but it's quite good to be used for testing. The shortcut that we have just created was called today's date, and if I click on update and then refresh my test page, it's going to display the text today's date, which really is not today's date, but at least we know that the shortcode is working and that it is displaying something. If I go back to the code, I can now create a function that is going to display today's date for real. So let's create a variable, and I'm going to call it today, and I'm going to call the date function, and the format that I need is going to be month, day, and year. Okay, and we are just going to return this today variable, or rather we are going to return what that variable has stored, because that's how this today's date function is going to be used. So if I now save this and go back and do the reload, the shortcut is now displaying today's date.